Oh my god, this drone is so fast. What's up guys, this is the DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus, the best of drones and the most expensive. And at this point the drone crashed. I mean, it literally crashed. I thought it was gone, but luckily the drone survived. We noticed that this video clip had no sound after we have recorded, so what we're trying to say right here is this. I was like, what's up guys, today we are going to fly the Phantom 4 Pro Plus drone, and the person with me right here is Swags. Swags have a YouTube channel, please make sure you check it out. And I was like, Swags, what do you have to say? And it was like, hi, make sure you check out my channel, the link will be in the description. And I said I will add the link to his channel in the end screen, and I was like, enjoy the video. So right here I was saying that I want us to fly the drone to the top of this tower right here, this very tall tower, because I just like doing crazy stuff. And I said I wanted the drone to revolve around it, which is very risky, but we didn't do that though. But we actually flew the drone up towards it.
Close your eyes and just stay tight, we have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me, this journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me, this journey will relieve us. Stay with me.
And guys, I want this video to reach up to 1,000 likes, so please, before you leave, make sure you click the like button and we can do this together. All right, 1,000, let's go. So this is me flying the drone. You see, I like those kind of landscape mode drone videos where the drone will be very close to the ground and it will be moving at a particular speed, and you'll be seeing the ground as it's moving, and to give you this sense of speed. Check it out.
Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me, this journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me, this journey will relieve us. Stay
So this is the power we set. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you hit that like button so we can reach 1000 likes, and make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next content. And I must say that Swags has great content on his channel. He's a very good gamer. In fact, he's one of the best PUBG players that I know. So make sure you check out his content, and peace. Why don't we see the drone crash one more time? Alright, let's do it.